Attention all 3D artists, game developers, and filmmakers. This ultra-realistic 3D model of the Genesis Supreme Overnighter 2025 12-14.6 RV is exactly what you need to take your projects to the next level. Meticulously crafted in Blender by professionals, this model combines technical precision with artistic quality. With an optimized poly count of 93,000 faces, it strikes the perfect balance between detail and performance. Every component, from the chassis to the suspension, has been modeled with clean quad geometry, no ngons, and perfectly oriented normals. Technical features that set it apart. Modular structure with all meshes organized by materials for efficient texturing. Animatable elements including functional doors, parroted empties for easy control. Independent wheels and rims for customization or simulations. Professional topology ready for subdivisions, deformations, or any production pipeline. But this isn't just a 3D model. It's a digital twin of a legendary California-built toy hauler. Designed for extreme adventures, the real Overnighter features desert temperature durability, high-performance cooling systems, innovative layouts engineered by specialists, professional applications, RV product visualization, open-world game environments, cinematic pre-visualization, physics simulations, and architectural renders. Now available on top platforms: CG Trader for studios, Blender Market for indie artists, and Render Hub for 3D enthusiasts. This isn't another generic model. It's a professional-grade tool made by modelers who understand industry needs, optimized for cycles and Eevee, compatible with most game engines, and ready for any production pipeline. Why settle for low-quality assets when you can work with a premium model that delivers? Faster render times thanks to optimized topology, smoother workflow with well-organized hierarchies, professional results in any application. The Genesis Supreme Overnighter 2025 3D model isn't just a product, it's your competitive edge. Download it today on CG Trader, Blender Market, or Render Hub, and take your 3D creations into extraordinary territory. Because in professional 3D work, details matter, and this model is packed with them. Your next project deserves this level of quality. What are you waiting for? The digital adventure starts here.